Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video where we're gonna dive a little bit deeper in the 1 hour chart here and the 15-minute chart, of course, to see what's gonna happen, what happened and what's gonna happen in the next hours. So first of all, today in the morning we have made our video. We said, of course, since yesterday by the way as well, we said that one more leg is of course required. And this is exactly what we saw today. We took the low. Now, as we said that the impulse is very close to be finished here. However, if this is not finished yet, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, an ending diagonal for this wave 5, very possible. However, we need to check, of course, the healthiness of this contracting diagonal. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 on the 15-minute chart. If we have here our wave 3 for a diagonal, let's check if we have passed the 1-to-1 fib level. So wave 3 in diagonal, we can see that yeah, we were very close. It did not hit it, but we were very close to hit the 1-to-1 fib level in validation of this contracting diagonal. Now one more proof here to see if the wave 5 has the the wave 5 has already invalidated. Yes, we have touched the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning this wave 5 is longer than your wave 3, meaning this cannot be a contracting diagonal, and that might turn into 1-2, 1-2, and then probably 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So possibly still looking for lower prices, guys. In that case scenario, yeah, this is what the price action gave us now. So possibly we're still looking for lower for this impulse, maybe to finish even at a lower price, which is the 90,000, where it might be as well your 0.38 fib level for wave 4. Meaning if your wave 4 did not bottomed here, of course it did not yet, and yeah, in case we are bullish still, of course, meaning your wave 4 might reach, of course, the 90,000 first, right? And yeah, finishing here in A, B, and a C, or yeah, W, X, and a Y, where you have a sharp zigzag, another zigzag for X, and another bigger zigzag for your wave Y. So possible scenario here for 90,000. Now your zigzag here, the last zigzag for a wave Y, preferably to reach the 1-to-1 fib level. So the fib level taken for this zigzag here give us at 87,000 to finish, of course, the zigzag. Now uncommon target is 0.618, which is already hit. This is an uncommon target already hit with yeah, in confluence with the 886. Now, as we said, reaching the 886 several times, by the way, tell us, of course, that this low has to be taken, this one. Yeah? And the closest target after this low is your 90,000. So possibly that, yeah, the first scenario as bearish that might be completed as W, X, and a Y. Reaching the 90,000 as a first target, and it's a psychological number, so it would be a nice target. Anyway, I think this might end the impulse here. So this huge impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 might have ended or might have ended in this 90,000, and then looking for a retracement, maybe a bounce toward the upside. Now if this bounce was 5 waves impulsive, then 3 waves down, then continuation toward the upside, this might be, of course, our entry point for a perfect bullish scenario. In case that we see 3 waves up and then the price reach again this low in validation of any kind of impulse or 1-2s or diagonal, that means, of course, a continuation toward the downside. Second target would be, of course, our 87,000. So basically, I would say we are still looking, of course, for lower prices. On the 4-hour chart, I know this is an intraday, but on the 4-hour chart, we see that the volume here is very equal. Yeah? And meaning that this might transform to your wave 3. This low here might be your wave 3. And then, of course, as we said, your wave 5 might dive deeper a little bit for the 90,000. in case we want to finish this wave 4 as W, X, and a Y. Your Y is a zigzag. In case we see, of course, further downside, our next target for a wave 4 might be the 1-to-1 fib level, finishing a perfect zigzag for a 1-to-1 fib level here, and then start to move toward the upside. Very possible. Remember that this is, of course, a very also your last support, of course, in this area, where you don't want to break it. If you, in case you want to stay bullish, you don't want to break it, because this area is totally empty. And of course, our CME gap is in this zone where you would like, once you reach a 1-to-1 fib level and lower, possibly that we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the downside, filling the CME gap, and then of course looking for higher prices again, because the invalidation of your bull run is at the wave 1 here for the orange scenario, which is at 66,500. Therefore, that is a huge gap, of course, until we invalidate a bull run, meaning the wave 4 can be very, very deep and then continue toward the upside, very, very normal as expected for a bull run. So, but basically, of course, the bearish now horizon is on the doors. So yeah, let's wait and see. I think that lower prices might still be recommended here for a wave 5, as we saw on the 15-minute chart. This, of course, cannot be yet a contracting diagonal, and here we go. We see even more lower prices. That was it for Bitcoin intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.